Hi everyone, welcome back to QBO Tips. I'm going to try something a little bit different over the course of the next few tips/weeks here. I'm going to be tackling projects in QuickBooks Online. Now there's a lot that we can do with projects and the associated features and workflows, so I figure it's best to kind of break it up a little bit. Today, I'll be sharing a little about what Projects does, who should think about using it, and some of the basic limitations that you're going to run into. In a nutshell, QBO Projects is a solution for job costing and managing the profitability of any given project that you may have. Before this feature, it was still possible to track the profitability of a job, but you'd have to run a customized P&L filtered by that customer or sub-customer, and it was just kind of a pain. But by using the projects feature, there's a whole new project center where you can see live updates on your progress. There's a lot of information on the dashboard, including a graphical representation of your income and expenses, as well as the current profit margin you have for each project that's open. Plus, there's other easy to run reports, like the profitability report, simplified, no customization needed, the unbilled time and expense report, and a time cost report. But it does not, and I will stress, it does not track your work in process. If you make WIP adjustments, project isn't going to be that silver bullet solution for you. In fact, if you have work in progress, you probably aren't using QBO. That brings me to some of the limitations. Even though Projects has some great features, it doesn't mean it's for everyone. Like we just mentioned, if you're tracking WIP, Projects isn't going to be the solution for you. There are also times when using a sub-customer is going to be more advantageous than using the Projects features. With Projects, you can only bill the customer that the project is associated with. But with sub-customers, you have the option to bill either the main customer or that specific sub-customer. So there's a little bit more flexibility there. You can also have more flexibility with the name on the invoice or the address associated with the whoever's being billed when you're using those sub-customers. And you need to have QBO Plus in order to use the projects feature in QuickBooks Online. That being said, for most small businesses that need to or want to track project profitability, Projects is an excellent way to go. It's easy to use. You have quick, user-friendly reports to track and manage your projects in real time. Next time, we're going to tackle how to turn on and set up projects in QBO. I hope that helps you guys. Thanks for watching.